podcast was made with a virtual voice. Today, let's board my imaginary boat, heading to the roof of the cathedral to tell you the famous legend of Saint George. Saint George is a martyr of the 4th century AD, patron of chivalry throughout Christendom. He is often depicted on horseback, defeating a dragon, a sort of allegory of the victory of good over evil. Born in Cappadocia to Christian parents, George, an officer in the Roman army, one day crosses a town terrorized by a formidable dragon who devours all the animals in the region and demands from its inhabitants the daily offering of 2 young people chosen by lot. George arrives on the day when fate falls on the king's daughter, at the moment when she is going to be the victim of the monster. He then engages the dragon in a fierce battle, and with the help of Christ, ends up defeating it. The princess is then freed, and the dragon, only injured, would remain attached like a faithful dog. Later, George fell victim to Emperor Diocletian's persecution of Christians. He suffered a terrible martyrdom in Palestine, subjected to numerous tortures, burned, scalded, and even crushed under a wheel, etc. He miraculously survived and ended up being beheaded. Unusual thing to know, in the statue of Saint George, a parchment containing the names of all the craftsmen who worked on the site was hidden.